Okay, here we are again. It looks like we have another candidate for a shelf queen. This is the Soviet-made VEF317. And on opening the radio, okay, number one, we find out on the front panel it has the speaker. The wires have been cut on the speaker. Okay, it's not a big thing, but okay, we did find the wires. They're right there. But on other careful examination of this radio, what is the other thing we've noticed? There are a lot of wires cut off here. How come? Open hole. Guess what? There should have been a transformer in here for the 117 plug-in for this. Yeah, as you can see, totally gone. There's just a couple of wires there. I have no idea where they go. Obviously, radio has been butchered. It probably will never work again. There's a weird arrangement though for the band switch. The entire thing rotates, as you can see there. And let's get back there. I mean those parts do work. But then we look at the back of the circuit board. What's that? Big black spot in the back. I have no idea if that's a burn spot or what that was. It looks like it's covering something else and does not look good. So, on careful examination of this radio, it looks to me like, well, it's really not worth fixing. I just do not see a reason to bother with it. Especially not now. I do not have a circuit diagram for it anyway. And I don't think it'll ever be a decent radio anyhow. So, I think it's just going to be, we're just going to go ahead and put it back together. And say bye-bye for now. I don't know, maybe sometime later in the future I may go ahead and find a circuit diagram for it and trace it out, but right now it's just not going to be worth the time to fix. I did glue the nameplate back on, but that's about it. And old Chubby's chomping at the bit down here. What, you want to come up here? Oh, come here. Oh. What do you want? He wants to go play with the squirrel. Squirrel! You want to play with the squirrel? All right. Oh, you see him? Oh, you're dancing. Okay. Go get him. Oh, yes, there's some newly plowed dirt out there by the squirrel. Looks like I was driving him nuts. Yeah, so after taking a look at this and what I paid for it, not to mention the amount of time I had to wait for the dumb thing to show up, it's really not going to be one of those things. It's going to be one of those things I want to put together. So, for right now, that's going to be it for the VEF317, the Soviet-made radio. I said Soviet because it's from Latvia. This is basically not Russian. You say has to be Soviet because it's from the Soviet Socialist Republic. Well, that's what the Democrats are trying to do to the U.S. They're trying to make it instead of the United States of America, they're trying to make it the United Socialist States of America. So Yeah. But anyway, forget that. There's just too many idiots around there anyway. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and do nothing on this one at all, except button it back up, and that's about it. So that's gonna be it for now. We'll talk to you guys later.